Hello traders, welcome to Frequency in FX Trading channel. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to do this analysis properly, how to anticipate and capitalize on this trading pair called the USDT testnet. How you can actually make more profit into your USDT wallet by swapping to any other digital assets. In this case, the gram/USDT. Now, I'm making this video for a subscriber, and his name is Abe, and he has a question as to how he's going to be transacting with this wallet. Now I was trying to teach him so he understands. So this video is going to be crafted for that reason. Now before I start, I'll just go to my wallet. Yes, this is my wallet, and as you can see, they tell me my total balance in USD is $3,752. And yes, let me clean that up. So I look through my chart and I see the theta. This is my theta balance. My theta balance is $3,781, and my gram balance is 16.7 gram, which is equals to 22 grams. Okay, so what I did here was I invested 3,000 out of all my assets. I invested $3,000 out of all my assets into this coin and believed in its rising. So now if I go to trade, I would show you the history of this pair. I'll come to these trades here, and when I come to trades here, I'll show you that this pair has been moving from price to price. So this pair was, when I bought $3,000 worth of this pair, the price of this currency was 283 USDT, and it went all the way to 251, and now it's at 267. And I already bought some of this wallet. So you can see the price has reduced. Now the price is currently at 267. It was at 283 before. It was at 283, but I did not sell when it was at 283 because the price was high. The aim is to buy low and sell high. So when I take you through the history of this pair, this is the history this pair has been marking all through. This was the time it was at 255. This pair was at 255 as of yesterday 4:18 p.m. You see it here. It was at 255 at 4:21 p.m. When at 8 o'clock p.m. it went to 250. It went to 250. It was at 250 at 11:04 p.m. and it went to $259 at 23. That's 11:07 p.m. and gradually it rose and rose, and you can see all the history here. I don't need to revise all the time stamp for you. These are the times, so you can go ahead and open your app and do this thing by yourself. So you can see that this pair was rising and rising and rising, and this was the highest it ever went. Okay, in this week this pair had only gone high to 283. So what that tells us is, if we bought this pair when it was 250, okay, and we sold it when it was at 283, then we're going to be making a lot of profits. So you can see these are the profits. These are the history of this pair. Now this was when it was at $283. Okay, if I had bought this pair at 250 and I sold it at $283, I would have made a lot of profits. If I invested all the $6,000 inside this pair, and immediately I invested $6,000, my account balance will go low, but the profit will come when it rises to $283. So right now the pair is $267. You can see it here right now. This is gram. and it is currently at $267. So in the future, I'll tell all my investors to invest in cryptocurrency, and we're going to choose pairs that go low and come high. So it is a simple terminology you can use to understand the real pair, the real asset, how you can trade it. It is very easy. All you need to do is look through the history of the pair and make sure that the price used to hit that area where you want to buy from. Now you can see, I know for a fact that if the market reaches $250, I would buy some of it. If I am certain it will go back to 283 or 263, I would invest more dollars inside of the 250, so that when it goes to $283, I will be selling. So right now the pair is currently at $267. So what I can do is invest more, and I just did. Okay, I just invested $2 into this pair. Now I'll show you my order history, so you know I just invested invested $2 inside of this pair. So what I want to do right now is that I want to open a limit order. What is a limit order? A limit order is when you open a price, and and you say, if this market, this is where I put my limit order at. I will tell, in my limit order I will write, because I might not be around to see when the price is going to hit $285. So I will go back to trade. I'll just look at that point where the market was at $283.49, and I will come to my limit order here and I will write, so that this market would automatically sell for me. So if I put it in $283, 283.49, I will just write that there, 283.49, and you can see that I'm writing it already. So 283.49, is it 43 or 49? So if it reaches 283.43, I want all my gram to convert itself to USDT. So if it reaches 283, if it reaches $283, if I sold all my gram, it will equal $4,784. But you see, let me show you another mathematics here. If I do this and I write 255, you can see if I sell when it's 255, you can see my profit is going to be smaller than if it was $283. You can see my profit is going to be $279, and that is not what I want to sell my price at. I want it to rise. I want it to reach $283. Then I'm going to sell everything I have here inside of this Ton wallet. So I'm just going to put it as a limit order. A limit order is an order that gets executed when you are not there to trade it. Even if you are not there, the fact that you placed it will sell for you. It is a bot that automatically does it for you when you are not there. So all you need to do is tell the bot what you want it to do. Right, never forget that when you are trading with limit order, you are saying that I might not have all the time in the world to be checking this market over and over again, but when it reaches this price, please sell it for me. If you understand that, let us proceed. But if you do not understand that, just back forward this video and re-listen to what I say about this, then you will understand it better. So I'm coming here again and I'm looking at the price where I want it to be executed at, and I will say $283.43. Let's so $83.43. If I put it in 49, you will see there's going to be you can see the more it rises, the more it increases. So let's put it at $283. So I'm just going to place a limit orders. Now if I limit sell the market, my all right, you see I just sold this, and of course my USDT was my gram was minus. Okay, if I go to open order, sell limit, you can see it is a sell limit. It has not been executed, however my money has been invested in it, so I'm going to get a minus from my gram wallet. All right, before I have some coins inside of this gram wallet, but now I've just placed a limit order. I got I got deducted, even though it has not been executed. But if I want to cancel this order right now, what I'm going to do is click on cancel order. So when I click it, the order gets cancelled immediately. So this is the simple lesson I wanted to teach you guys. The last time I tried making this video, my phone got hung, and when I restarted it, I thought the video was recording, but the video never recorded. So now I've already cleared that error, as I've already made this video. So this video is going to be published on YouTube, and it's also going to be sent to your various phones on WhatsApp messages. And if you do not know me on WhatsApp, this is an opportunity to add my phone number on WhatsApp. Make sure you message. You should be messaging me on Telegram also. Okay, I discovered many people don't use Telegram on their phone. Many people are not able to access Telegram because when they try to, Telegram tells them to buy to subscribe to their premium when they are trying to register, and it's a little bit of sacrifice, but it's worth it. If you register for Telegram premium, there's going to be an advantage for you. So for that reason, because people are watching my videos from several parts of the country. There's a lot of people watching this video from several parts of the country, so I'm trying to keep it I'm trying to keep it global friendly for everybody who is watching everywhere to access. So I'm just going to write my phone number on the screen of the phone, so in case you are going to add it, so you know the digits. Of course, I could write it under the description, but that's going to be a second thought. If I promise I'm going to put phone numbers underneath the description of the video and I didn't put it, I really apologize. Usually sometimes it's some errors that go and we're not able to do this things, but I'm gonna be putting it on the screen in case you did not see the phone number under the description of the video. So this is the phone number. It's +234. It's a Nigerian number. 234-9127-420668. So when you put this number on WhatsApp, you're going to see my profile picture, and then you know I'm the one. So thank you guys for watching. This is the Frequency and FX Strange channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share this videos to your friend and family, and so everybody gets value at the end of the day. This is where we learn how to trade. This is the crypto test number, and it's a lesson. See you in my next video. Bye.